Imagine you wake up tomorrow and realize ChatGPT is basically a money printing machine. You can turn it into cash if you know what you're doing. Most people don't. They try random stuff, waste time, and give up. But there are 3 super easy ways that actually work, and I'm going to show you all of them right now. The first way is custom kids storybooks. You take a kid's photo and turn it into an entire storybook where that kid is the main character. Parents go absolutely nuts for this because they want to see their child's face light up when they open a book and see themselves as the hero. If you search Etsy, there are barely any sellers doing it, but the ones that are already have hundreds of reviews and making serious money with almost zero competition. This is your moment to jump in. To create one, you upload the kid's photo into ChatGPT and use a prompt to turn their face into cartoon style. Then you ask ChatGPT to generate a creative story title using the kid's name and the story style they want, like superhero or adventure or fantasy. ChatGPT spits out a 20-page story with image prompts for every single page. You take those prompts to Leonardo AI, generate the images with consistent faces, and jump into Canva to design it all into a printable PDF. You can sell it on Etsy, Fiverr, or build a landing page. The second way is custom art mashups. Someone sends you their photo or multiple photos, maybe them with their pet or friends, and you turn it into professional-looking artwork. This is already going viral on Etsy right now. Some stores have made over $100,000 doing this. The key is consistency. Etsy favors sellers with lots of listings, so create at least 80 designs with different styles and variations. You paste the prompt into ChatGPT. It generates the artwork, and then you add your own touch in Canva with a filter or mock-up or frame effect. Download as print-ready PDF, and it's ready to sell. This works because it looks incredibly impressive. People think you're talented, and they're willing to pay good money for quality art they think took hours to create. The third way is a future self-portrait. You ask someone to send their photo and tell you what they want to become. Then you use ChatGPT to create a portrait of them actually living that dream. Imagine hanging that up and seeing yourself as a successful doctor or entrepreneur every day. You take their photo, upload it to ChatGPT, use a prompt to generate the portrait showing them achieving their dream, and make it personal in Canva. Add their name, a target year, and a motivational message from their future self. This is so fresh and new that almost nobody's doing it, which means you could dominate this right now. For promotion, TikTok is where virality happens. Create short before and after videos in 15 seconds or less showing the transformation. Use a voice from 11 Labs and edit it in CapCut to make it polished. Post 3 videos a day if you can. You can also join Facebook groups and Reddit communities where your customers hang out. Don't spam links everywhere. Just share your work and let people ask questions. If you're serious about scaling and want to offer all 3 services, use Linktree to link everything in one place. This way you can promote just one link instead of 3 different ones. Here's the thing though, ChatGPT is just a tool, nothing magic. These services are real, they sell, and they work because people value personalization and creativity. Thousands of people are already making money doing exactly this right now. The window of opportunity is still open, but it's getting smaller every day. If you want to try this out, start today. Pick one service, make 5 designs, post them, and see what happens. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain. If this doesn't make sense or you want me to explain these ideas in more detail, let me know in the comments section below. I actually read them, and I'll make videos about whatever you want to know. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to the channel. If you're enjoying these videos, hit that like button and subscribe because I drop brand new money-making ideas every single week. I'll see you in the next one.